Now watch this. Look at this little kid saying, what the what? You know? Look at this. Listen to him yelling at him. They think it's a suicide.
Yeah, there was people, these girls were saying, don't do it, don't do it. And they started screaming and crying when I did it.
Look. Hey. Now what? That's the window cleaning apparatus there.
Yeah.
You were out of control, John. Look at this. That's the wind test, wind direction. Yeah, it's just right.
Notice?
Yeah. Now, in a moment, he stops here in just a second. He has to go to the bathroom, so we start over again.
Listen.
He's up on top.
Listen to what I say. Please, Lord, forgive me for all my sins.
Yeah. Watch this. Watch the farewell kiss here. Oh, that's cool. See you later. Oh, my. Whoa! Hang on here. Hold it. Hold it. Freeze it. Freeze it. In midair. Let's take it now. You've just jumped from the World Trade Center. And here you come right into Battery Park. Watch it there. Kaboom. Look at that landing. Well done. You better hustle now.